I can buy you glasses. Why don't you come in the sun? We have come to the roof to have a sun bath, and you're standing in the shade. Come on, John. Yeah, go over there. Yeah, that's shadow. Yeah, that little shadow is yours, and the big shadow is daddy's.
Look, I have a princess jacket.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You look beautiful. So, what do you think of the weather? How do you like this weather?
Why mother and brothers doing?
Which? Oh, there? That's not the mother and brother. That's the mother and son. She's a mommy, and the boy is her son.
Oh,
The way you are daughter to your mommy,
and I am a girl.
you are a girl. Yes.
My daddy puts Surma and he's look like a girl also.
Yes.
Or look, her brother's son is saying keep white.
Yeah. Let's take the sun bath. Baby, come here. You stand here. Yeah. You stand against the wall like this and take the sun bath. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, okay. You know what does the sun rays give us? Which vitamin the sun rays give us? You remember? I think I told you. Vitamin 12B, I think.
I like the sun.
You like the sun?
Yeah, I don't like the night.
You don't like the night? Why not? You do beautiful things in the night. Like you watch TV and you play with daddy. We also study during the night. Then we sleep together. That is good.
Oh, I got it, I got it.
You got it? Yeah, so you can't say that the night is bad. Night is good.
Sorry, and how about sun also?
Yeah, sun is also good. Both are good. Sun is to enjoy, to play, to go to the park and do activities like business and going to school. What? No, it's not our dress. It's the dress of the people downstairs. It's a teacher's daddy's dress.
Oh, I know. It's also for teacher dress?
Yeah, this is teacher's brother's dress.
Oh, and this her teacher, her brother, her bed, her teacher's brother is coming, her birdie's coming to serve?
His birthday has gone. It was 3 days ago.
In the night?
Yes. People usually celebrate birthdays during the night.
Oh, and Mama broke my cake in the night?
No, we don't say broke the cake. We say cut the cake. When someone's birthday, we cut the cake. Okay?
Mama bring cake in upstairs
Yeah.
for me.
Yes.
And I
Okay. In the morning, you were crying, and when I asked you what's the matter, Michelle John, and you said you are missing Nano. You are missing Nano still? Should we go to her house? Should we go to Nano house? Ant? Where? Where? I can't see an ant.
do you look at here? There are two ants.
Where?
Look at here.
Oh, these two ants? Yeah, they are harmless. They don't bite us. Okay, they are good ants. You don't need to worry about them.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, but you don't climb on them, otherwise, they will die. Okay? Wake up, get up, get up. You stand against the wall and enjoy the sun. Come on. There. And look at the sun. Look at the sun. Yeah, keep looking at. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes, like this. How do you feel?
I feel so good.